Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial showing you guys how exactly you can pay your mortgage through Bilt 2.0. So as an upgrade from Bilt 1.0, now you can pay any housing related payments including rent, mortgage, or HOA fees as part of this new 2.0 ecosystem. In my previous video, I actually explained why I end up getting the Platinum credit card and why I think it's totally worth it, at least in the first year. If you're still debating between these options, make sure you watch that video as well, which I'll link it down below and also on the cards above, because I know a lot of you guys might be doing this for the first time. So I really hope this is helpful. If you do find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and support my channel by subscribing, because as the time of this recording, there's only 3,817 of you guys have subscribed. And when I check my YouTube analytics in the back end, over 97% of you guys watching aren't subscribing. So please help me out by clicking that subscribe button so you can help me get to 5,000 subs by end of next month. And you won't miss out when I post my next Bilt related video, because I'm making a series of videos related to Bilt 2.0 to help you navigate this new change. With that out of the way, let's get right into the video. So I'm on my Bilt app right now. As always, you should be updating to the latest version. You want to first tap on my home. The box says Billpay for home. It used to be called Billpay for rent because it's no longer restricted to rent. It's actually expanded to any housing related payments such as rent, mortgage, or HOAs. So what you want to do is to click on get started. Because I'm doing this tutorial for mortgage, I will pick the mortgage option. Depending on what you try to do, you might be picking rent or HOA fees. Click on continue. Bill already knew I have mortgage with Bank of America. This is my first time doing it and I haven't linked anything. The information looks correct to me. And the next payment due is March 1st. I want to click on continue. Alright guys, so for some reason, Bill automatically knew that I had a mortgage with a Bank of America, and then they auto-populated my loan number. Loan number is something that you need to verify. 等一下呀. It's something that you need to verify through the Bank of America or your mortgage lender's website. So I did verify the loan number and that looks correct. Next step is click on continue. Oh wow, okay. You are now set up to make mortgage payment with Bilt. Pay seamless with Bilt, earn points, and unlock. Voila! So after you have successfully linked your mortgage lender, the next step is to go back to the home tab. And now you see the interface has changed. It says Bank of America with my mortgage information. Now you can click on make a payment. You can assume the exact payment amount. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, there is a row that says transaction fee waived to $0. So technically with Bilt 2.0, there isn't any transaction fee. You're using your Bilt cash to earn points as a result. So if you click on the Bilt exclusive rewards, for me it says 3,589 Bilt points, which is equivalent to 107.67 Bilt cash. How that works is every 1,000 points to earn, you need to use $30 worth of Bilt cash. I currently have 513.52 cents of Bilt cash available to apply. So make sure you are toggling this option on in order to receive Bilt points. Depending on which option you choose, the flexible cash or the housing only option, this interface might look different. In my previous video, I actually explained the differences between the flexible cash versus the housing only. I end up choosing the flexible cash and I had a lot of reasons behind that. Leave me a comment if you have more questions on that. I might also make a separate video just explain that. But going back to that, what this means is that you are paying $107.67 worth of Bilt cash in order to earn 3,589 Bilt points as part of this transaction. Click on pay now. Your housing payment will not use up your credit line. You'll automatically charge and pay down with this bank account. I understand. Proceed with payment. So this is the standard Bilt protect clause. So it won't affect your credit utilization, and I recommend you guys do the same. Voila. So it says your mortgage servicer will receive a payment within 3 to 5 business days. So as this time of recording is February 22nd, and my mortgage is actually due on March 1st. So I'll report back when the transaction actually occurs, so you guys are roughly aware how long it takes. Okay, so if your mortgage lender didn't show up automatically, here's how you can set up manually. Similarly, you want to go to the My Home tab, and then click on Get Started, or in my case, because I already set up mortgage, just for demonstration purposes, how to do it manually, you want to click on Pay for a different bill. Here, I'm going to pick mortgage, but I went through the HOA process. It's actually exactly the same. So just for demonstration purposes, I'll click on mortgage. And within this screen, you actually want to, instead of searching for your mortgage provider servicer name, you want to click on Pay Manually, and then pick Online Payment Portal. Obviously, you can pick check if you are still using the old school method but I think for most people, we're doing the ACH method. So click on Continue. You want to select a payment method. Make sure you are choosing the Bilt Palladium card or whatever card you had picked as part of Bilt 2.0. Click on Continue. So here, what you see is your Billpay account routing number and account number, which I'll blur out the information. And by clicking complete, I won't click it for myself, but clicking complete is when you can copy paste the routing and account number into your mortgage lender. For my case, it's Bank of America or whatever mortgage lender that you are currently with. What I learned so far is that the benefit of doing the manual way, even though it takes a little longer to set up, is that because you're doing it through your mortgage lender's website, there's a lot more flexibility of how you can and how often you can do the payments. So for example, if you want to do an automatically monthly pay, you might, as of this recording, you might have to do the manual way anyways, but I wouldn't be surprised if such functionality became available in the near future. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed my video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because in my next video, I'm gonna talk about how you can redeem the bill credit or the hotel credit as part of Bill Cash if you're booking something via the Bill Travel Rewards Center. I actually find that process not the most straightforward either, so make sure you subscribe and get notified when my next video comes out.